Welcome to a journey through time and culture, an expedition into the heart of America's rich historical and cultural heritage. Imagine a land vast and diverse, a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and histories, each more intriguing than the last. This land is the United States of America, a country where each town, each city, each state has a unique story to tell. A story that weaves into the grand narrative of this nation, contributing to the vibrant mosaic that is American culture. From the sun-kissed coasts of the West to the bustling cities of the East, the verdant plains of the Midwest to the sultry charm of the South, America's landscape is as diverse as its people, each region with its own rich tapestry of history and culture that sets it apart, yet binds it together in the shared narrative of the American dream. Towns that have stood the test of time, their stories etched in the cobblestone streets, the colonial buildings, the towering skyscrapers, and the vibrant communities that call them home. Each of these towns is a living testament to the resilience, the spirit, and the ingenuity of the American people. They are the keepers of the past, the custodians of history, the guardians of heritage. They are the cradles of culture, the birthplaces of traditions, the stages where the drama of history was played out and the future of a nation was shaped. From the indigenous tribes who first inhabited this land, to the explorers who charted its course, the pioneers who tamed its wilderness, the visionaries who shaped its destiny, and the immigrants who enriched its culture, these towns are a tribute to the many hands that have shaped America's rich cultural and historical tapestry. So buckle up and get ready to travel through time, to explore the nooks and crannies of these towns, to unravel their mysteries, to celebrate their triumphs, and to learn from their trials. Let's embark on this journey, exploring 7 of the most culturally and historically significant towns in the USA. We start our journey in the sun-kissed city of Miami, a melting pot of cultures and historical influences where Art Deco architecture, vibrant street art, and Latin rhythms create a feast for the senses. In Miami, every corner hums with the rhythm of life. The city is a vibrant tableau of cultures, its streets echoing with the lively beats of Latin music. Miami is more than just a beach town, it's a cultural kaleidoscope. Let's delve into the heart of the city's Latin culture. Miami is a stronghold of Cuban heritage outside Cuba itself, a legacy alive in the music, food, and everyday life. You can't help but sway to the rhythm of salsa and the tantalizing aroma of Cuban coffee. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the vibrancy of Latin traditions without leaving the United States. Now cast your eyes upon Miami's Art Deco architecture, a style that lends the city its iconic look. The city's skyline is a pastel dream, with over 800 Art Deco buildings painting a picture of the roaring 20s. These architectural gems are a testament to the city's resilience, standing tall and proud, bearing the marks of history with grace. Miami's maritime history is as deep and vast as the ocean itself. From the time of the Tequesta Indians, through the era of Spanish conquest, to the present day, the sea has shaped the city's destiny. This significant maritime history has left its mark on Miami's culture, economy, and identity. The city's cultural festivals are a spectacle to behold. From the Calle Ocho Festival, a celebration of Cuban culture, to Art Basel, one of the world's premier art shows, Miami pulsates with energy and creativity. These festivals are a testament to the city's cultural diversity and its capacity for joyous celebration. Miami's influence of Cuban culture is undeniable. The city is the heartland of Cuban exiles, and this influence permeates every aspect of Miami life. From the sizzling Cuban sandwiches to the soul-stirring music, Cuban culture is woven into the city's very fabric. Here you can see the vibrant murals and graffiti art of windward walls, stroll along the scenic Ocean Drive, and soak up the Latin vibes of Little Havana. Don't miss the chance to indulge in some Cuban cuisine, dance the night away at a salsa club, and relax on the pristine beaches of South Beach. Miami truly offers something for everyone, from art enthusiasts to beach bums and party animals alike. Miami, a city where the sun shines on a vibrant blend of cultures and histories. Next, we journey to Washington, D.C., the heart of American politics and a treasure trove of historical monuments. Imagine a city where every street, every building, every monument tells a story. That's Washington, D.C. for you. As the capital of the United States, it's here where the nation's political pulse beats strongest. Yet this city is more than just a hub of power. It's a living, breathing museum, a testament to the dreams, struggles, and triumphs of a nation. Let's start with the National Mall, a 2-mile stretch of land that is home to iconic landmarks like the Lincoln Memorial, the Washington Monument, and the U.S. Capitol. These structures aren't just impressive to look at, they're symbols of the nation's enduring spirit. Each stone, each statue, each inscription is a chapter in the American story. But Washington, D.C. isn't just about the past, it's about the present and the future too. The city is home to numerous museums that celebrate everything from art and culture to science and technology. There's the Smithsonian Institution, a collection of 19 museums and galleries that offer a fascinating insight into the world around us. There's the National Air and Space Museum, where you can marvel at the wonders of human flight. And let's not forget the National Museum of African American History and Culture, a place that tells the often overlooked stories of African American contributions to the nation's history. And then there's the food. With a diverse population comes a diverse food scene. From the rustic charm of American comfort food to the exotic flavors of international cuisine, Washington, D.C. has it all. Ethiopian injera, Salvadoran pupusas, Vietnamese pho, you name it, D.C. has it. It's a melting pot of cultures, a city where you can travel the world without leaving the dinner table. So whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just someone looking for an adventure, Washington, D.C. is the place to be. It's a city that celebrates the old and embraces the new. A city where you can walk in the footsteps of giants and stand on the shoulders of heroes. Washington, D.C., a city where history is etched in every corner. From the political hub, we venture to the soulful city of New Orleans, home to jazz and a unique blend of cultures. This spirited city, nestled in the southeastern region of Louisiana, is a melting pot of French, African, American, and indigenous cultures, each leaving a distinctive imprint on its heart. New Orleans, often referred to as the Big Easy, is a city that beats to the rhythm of jazz. Born in the late 19th century among the city's African American communities, jazz is more than just a genre of music in New Orleans. It's a way of life, a form of expression, a legacy passed down through generations. The city's French Quarter, with its vibrant nightlife and bustling street performers, is considered the birthplace of this soulful music. Here, every corner hums with the sound of trumpets and saxophones, and every brick seems to echo with the foot-tapping rhythms of jazz. But New Orleans' cultural tapestry extends beyond its music. It's a city that celebrates life like no other, and the annual Mardi Gras festival is a testament to this. Mardi Gras, or Fat Tuesday, is a carnival of color, music, and dance. It's a day when the city's streets come alive with parades and revelry, encapsulating the spirit of New Orleans in a dazzling display of tradition and festivity. And then there's the food. The city's culinary scene is a mirror to its diverse heritage. Creole and Cajun cuisines, born from a mix of French, Spanish, West African, and Native American influences, dominate the city's food landscape. Be it a hearty gumbo, a spicy jambalaya, or the sweet beignets dusted with powdered sugar, each dish tells a story of the city's past. New Orleans is not just a city, it's a sensory experience. It's a place where history, culture, and soul intertwine, creating a vibrant tapestry that's as rich as it is diverse. It's a place where every street has a story to tell, every meal has a history to share, and every note of music resonates with the spirit of its people. New Orleans, a city that dances to the rhythm of its rich history and culture. We then travel north to Chicago, a city that rose from the ashes to become a cultural and architectural marvel. Chicago, often referred to as the Windy City, is a testament to the enduring spirit of American innovation and resilience. It's a phoenix that rose from the ashes of the Great Chicago Fire of 1871. This devastating event, rather than spelling the end, marked a new beginning. The city was reborn, transforming into a shining beacon of architectural brilliance. Chicago's skyline is a breathtaking panorama, boasting some of the tallest structures in the United States. The city's architectural wonders aren't just towering skyscrapers. They're also historic landmarks like the Chicago Theater, a lavish Baroque-inspired auditorium, and the Art Institute of Chicago, one of the oldest and largest art museums in the country. But the city's contributions aren't merely structural. It has also made significant contributions to the world of music, particularly the blues. It's here that the electric blues style was born, a genre that would go on to influence many forms of modern music. So whether you're a fan of muddy waters, buddy guy, or just a lover of good music, Chicago's blues scene is a living testament to this vibrant city's cultural depth. And let's not forget about Chicago's culinary delights. The city is famous for its deep dish pizza, a hearty staple that has become synonymous with its name. Imagine a pie-like crust, a thick layer of cheese, generous helpings of sausage or pepperoni, and a tangy tomato sauce on top. This is not your average pizza. It's a culinary experience that you can't miss when you're in the Windy City. From its Phoenix-like recovery, its architectural marvels, to its rich blues heritage and iconic deep dish pizza, Chicago isn't just a city, it's a symbol of American fortitude, innovation, and cultural diversity. It's a place where the past and present coexist, creating a unique blend of history, culture, and urban sophistication. Chicago, a city that embodies resilience and cultural diversity. Our journey takes us west to San Francisco, the golden city that bridges cultures and eras. As we venture into San Francisco, we're immediately greeted by echoes of the past. The mid-19th century gold rush that turned this once quiet town into a bustling metropolis is still palpable even today. As fortune seekers from all over the world flocked here, they left behind a rich tapestry of cultures that remains one of the city's defining features. San Francisco's Chinatown, the oldest and one of the largest in the United States, is a testament to this cultural mosaic. Here, the vibrant colors, tantalizing smells, and rhythmic sounds transport you to a different world. The area is a bustling hub of activity, with markets brimming with exotic produce, dim sum joints serving up delectable bites, and shops selling everything from jade jewelry to silk robes. But no discussion of San Francisco would be complete without mentioning its iconic Golden Gate Bridge. This marvel of modern engineering spans the entrance to the San Francisco Bay and is a sight to behold. Its international orange color, chosen to complement the natural surroundings and enhance visibility in fog, is a beacon that welcomes all to the city. San Francisco is also a city of progress, a fertile ground for ideas and innovation. It's the birthplace of the tech industry, with Silicon Valley just a stone's throw away. This spirit of innovation can be felt throughout the city, from its world-class museums and universities, to its cutting-edge restaurants and eco-friendly initiatives. Despite its rapid evolution, San Francisco remains rooted in its past. The city's Victorian and Edwardian architecture, its historic cable cars, and its diverse neighborhoods each tell a story of the city's journey from a gold rush town to a global hub. San Francisco, a city where history and innovation coexist. In this golden city, the past and the future are not at odds but are intertwined, each shaping the other in a continuous dance of change and preservation. So come and experience San Francisco, where every corner holds a story, and every story holds a piece of this city's golden heart. Take a leisurely stroll through Golden Gate Park, explore the eclectic shops and eateries of the Mission District, and marvel at the stunning views from Alcatraz Island. Don't forget to ride a cable car up the city's steep hills for a quintessential San Francisco experience, and be sure to sample some sourdough bread and fresh seafood at Fisherman's Wharf. We then venture to New York, the city that never sleeps, and a beacon of cultural diversity. The Big Apple is a melting pot of cultures, a testament to the waves of immigrants that have shaped its vibrant character. From the early Dutch settlers to the influx of Irish, Italian, and Eastern European immigrants, each wave has left their indelible mark on the city's architectural, social, and cultural canvas. This immigrant history has also shaped New York's influence on global fashion, music, and art. The city is home to the Fashion Institute of Technology, the Metropolitan Opera, and the Museum of Modern Art, all of which have made significant contributions to the world. The city's diverse neighborhoods, from the bohemian Greenwich Village to the hipster haven of Williamsburg, each have their own unique flavor, contributing to the city's reputation as a global trendsetter. New York's iconic landmarks are more than just pieces of architecture. They are symbols of the city's spirit and resilience. The Statue of Liberty, a gift from France, stands tall as a symbol of freedom and democracy. The Empire State Building, once the tallest building in the world, embodies ambition and achievement. The poignant 9/11 memorial reminds us of the city's resilience in the face of adversity. But it's not just the city's landmarks and cultural institutions that make it special. New York's diverse food scene is a culinary journey around the world. From the bagel shops of the Lower East Side to the dim sum parlors of Chinatown, from the pizza joints of Brooklyn to the Michelin-starred restaurants of Manhattan, the city's gastronomic offerings are as diverse as its population. New York is a city that thrives on its diversity, its energy, its ambition, and its resilience. It's a city that embraces the new while honoring its past. It's a city of dreamers and doers, of artists and entrepreneurs, of immigrants and natives. It's a city where the world converges. New York, a city where the world converges. Finally, we travel to Boston, the cradle of liberty and the birthplace of the American Revolution. Nestled in the heart of New England, Boston is a city that has played a pivotal role in shaping American history and culture. Its cobblestone streets and colonial architecture serve as a living testament to the centuries of stories etched into the city's fabric. Boston's role in the American Revolution is etched in every corner of this bustling city. From the iconic Freedom Trail, a 2.5-mile-long path that passes 16 locations significant to the history of the United States, to the Old North Church, where Paul Revere's famous "one if by land, two if by sea" signal was sent, Boston is a city steeped in revolutionary spirit. But Boston's rich history extends beyond the Revolution. This city is also home to some of the world's most prestigious universities. Harvard, the oldest institution of higher learning in the United States, and MIT, a powerhouse of innovation and technology, both call Boston home. These institutions have not only shaped the city's intellectual landscape, but have also made significant contributions to global knowledge and progress. Boston's literary heritage is something to behold as well. It's the city of poets and writers like Robert Frost, Sylvia Plath, and Henry David Thoreau. Their words have not only enriched American literature, but have also given voice to universal human experiences and emotions. And let's not forget the unique New England culture that thrives in Boston. From clam bakes and lobster rolls to Fenway Park and the Red Sox, Boston's charm lies in its unique blend of history, culture, and modernity. The city's seafood is a gastronomic adventure in itself. Succulent lobster, fresh oysters, and creamy clam chowder are just a few of the culinary delights that await you in Boston. A city that truly celebrates its maritime heritage through its cuisine. Boston, a city where history lives and breathes. It invites you to walk its historic streets, learn from its prestigious universities, revel in its literary heritage, immerse in its unique culture, and savor its delicious seafood. Boston, a city where history lives and breathes. Our journey through these 7 remarkable towns reveals the diverse and rich cultural tapestry of the USA. We've seen the vibrant energy of Miami, its Latin influence and stunning beaches painting a tropical paradise. In Washington, D.C., we've admired the powerful architectural symbols of a nation's governance. New Orleans has captivated us with its soulful music, Creole cuisine, and resilient spirit. We've felt the gust of change in the windy city, Chicago, with its impressive skyscrapers and rich blues heritage. San Francisco, the Golden City, has dazzled us with its innovative spirit and iconic landmarks. In the Big Apple, New York, we've been swept up in the fast pace of a city that never sleeps. And finally, we've traced the origins of American independence in Boston, the cradle of liberty. Each town, a unique chapter in the grand narrative that is America's cultural and historical legacy. A legacy that continues to shape and inspire. And there you have it, the top 7 iconic cultural and historic havens of the United States, each offering its own unique blend of history, culture, and adventure. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of New York City or soaking up the sun in Miami, one thing's for sure, the USA has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today and experience the magic of these incredible destinations for yourself. Feel free to drop a comment to share your travel experiences about these places, or tell us about your favorite places. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and if you haven't, wait to take you along. So until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep sharing your experiences. Goodbye!